Tecno Phantom V Fold becomes official at a starting price of 89,999 rupees. Tecno has shown its presence during this year's MWC event and introduced its first foldable phone, the Phantom V Fold, to compete with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The phone is confirmed to arrive in India, and we also have the pricing details. Tecno Phantom V Fold, specs and features. The Tecno Phantom V Fold opens like a book and features a 7.85-inch primary flexible AMOLED screen with a 2K screen resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The secondary 6.82-inch curved display is also AMOLED in nature and supports a 120Hz refresh rate. Both support the LTPO Tech, 1100 nits of peak brightness, and the P3 color gamut. The device features an aerospace-grade hinge with a drop design for higher durability and a crease-less display experience. The Cosmic-inspired design includes a big circular rear camera hump and a skin-friendly leather back panel. It comes in black and white colors. There's a triple camera setup at the back, which includes a 50 megapixels main camera, a 50MP portrait lens, and a 13 megapixels telephoto lens. For selfies, there's a 16 megapixels camera on the main screen and a 32 megapixels snapper on the subscreen. You get features like Super Night Mode, Super Night Portrait, Night 4K videos, and more. The Phantom V Fold is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset, clubbed with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The phone is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45 watts fast charging. It runs iOS 13 based on Android 13. The new foldable phone by Tecno includes a side-placed fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, 5G, and much more. Price and availability. The Tecno Phantom V Fold is priced at 89,999 rupees for the 12GB plus 256GB model and 99,999 rupees for the 12GB plus 512GB version. As an introductory offer, it will be available at 79,999 rupees, 12GB plus 256GB. This is pretty inexpensive when compared to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4, which goes over a lakh. It will arrive in India in Q1 2023, but the exact launch date remains unknown. So, will you go for the new foldable phone in town? Let us know in the comments section below.